Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rearrange the apps in Apps section on Toshiba 32 WA2363DG. To do it, go to the Apps section. You can see I'm in Apps right now. Then select the app that you want to move. I'm gonna move maybe the user manual to the very end. I don't need it, but I can't uninstall it, I think. So let's press and hold on the OK button and then click on move. Now you can just move right or left with like up or down, right or left, whatever. And then click on OK. Now it's moved. You can also select a different app to move this time. Let's move the Google Play games. I don't play games on TV. I don't really care about that. So let's click on it and let's move it. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.